Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Willie. Today, we're talking about if you should buy AGNC. This ultra-high dividend stock, AGNC Investment Corp, is yet another inexpensive, time-tested company that could potentially turn $300,000 into $1 million by 2030. Bold claim, right? But stick with me. AGNC is a monthly dividend payer that's yielding 11.8% as of June 1st, 2022, and has sported a double-digit yield in 12 of the past 13 years. AGNC is a mortgage real estate investment trust, a REIT. AGNC borrows money at low short-term lending rates, then uses the capital it receives to purchase high-yielding long-term assets, such as mortgage-backed securities, which is why it's known as a mortgage REIT. The goal for the company is to maximize its net interest margin, which is the difference between the average yield on the assets it owns minus its average borrowing rate. The beauty of the mortgage REIT industry is that there aren't many surprises. Simply following the Federal Reserve's monetary policy and the Treasury bond yield curve will give investors a good idea of how well or poorly the mortgage REIT industry is performing. At the moment, companies like AGNC are being challenged by flattening yield curves and rising short-term lending rates. However, when things look their bleakest is often the ideal time to buy into mortgage REITs like AGNC. For instance, higher interest rates should also improve the yields on the mortgage-backed securities AGNC is buying. Over time, this would be expected to widen the company's net interest margin. Furthermore, $66.9 billion of AGNC's $68.6 billion investment portfolio at the end of March was comprised of agency assets. Agency securities are backed by the federal government in the unlikely event of a default. This added protection is what allows AGNC to lean on leverage to boost its profit potential. Investors can buy shares of AGNC right now for a 7% discount to its book value and roughly 6 times Wall Street's forecast earnings for the upcoming year. Let me know what you think about AGNC below. We usually do a video on some type of mortgage REIT or REIT in general, like every quarter or about twice a year. So I thought it was the perfect time to talk about AGNC. But if you want me to talk about more REITs or mortgage REITs, let me know below. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.